pleasant day to everyone. My name is Joyant Diaz Rivera from BTLE HE2B. As for today's video, I will going to discuss the different parts of the computer. Do you already know what are the different parts of the computer? If not, it's time to learn. What is computer hardware? Hardware, sometimes abbreviated to HW, and it can be defined as the physical components that the computer systems needs to function. This distinguishes it from software, which consists of written instructions that tell the physical components what to do. Internal and external hardware components. The component that make up hardware can be categorized as being either internal or external. Internal components are those installed inside a computer. Typical example being the motherboard, power supply, and central processing unit are also known as the CPU. External components are connected to the outside of the computer. There can also be referred to as peripherals or peripheral devices. Common examples being the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. There are 9 components listed usually belong to internal category. Those are motherboard, CPU, power supply, random access memory or RAM, hard disk drive, video card, solid state drive, optical disk drive, and card reader. What is motherboard? The motherboard, known colloquially as a MOBO, is a main printed circuit board of a computer. It houses the CPU and operates as a hub that all other hardware runs through. It allocates power to the other components, coordinates them, and enables communication between them. What is CPU? The Central Processing Unit, or CPU for short, is responsible for processing all information from programs run by your computer. The main rule of power supply unit is to convert the alternating current or AD from an outlet to direct current or DC. The computer components need DC to run normally. The power supply unit also controls voltage to prevent overheating issues. What is RAM? Random access memory or RAM is the physical hardware inside a computer that temporarily stores data. It is normally found in the memory slots of a motherboard. Its role is to serve as a computer's working memory for the information created by programs. Generally speaking, the faster the processing speed at which memory moves data to other components. What is hard disk drive? The hard disk drive is the main data storage device of a computer. This is where the operating system, software titles, and the majority of files are stored. Unlike RAM, hard drives are non-volatile, which means that they maintain their stored data even when powered off. What is video card? The video card, also known as a graphic card, is an expansion card that enables the computer to send output images to a video display device such as a monitor. The video card typically installs via a slot on a motherboard. Solid-state drives are designed to be housed inside a computer as an alternative to traditional hard disk drives. Although they look almost identical to traditional hard disk drive from the outside, they have no moving parts. This means that they use less power, access data faster, and generally more reliable. Optical disk drive. An optical disk drive, or ODD, uses laser light or electromagnetic waves to read or write data onto optical disc. Common optical media designed for use with this type of drives are compact discs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs. Optical disk drive can also be called disk drives, DVD drives, and BD drives. Card reader. Most personal computers and tablets have built-in memory card readers. This enables them to read data from memory cards, which are portable electronic storage devices used for storing digital information. Most contemporary memory cards use flash memory although other memory technologies are currently being developed. There are 11 listed, usually belong to external categories. Those are monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, speaker, external hard drive, desktop image scanner, projector, joystick, headphone, and USB flash drive. What is monitor? The monitor is a hardware device that displays the video and graphic information generated by the computer via the video card. What is keyboard? The keyboard is a typewriter-style device that enables users to interact with their computer. Users input text, characters, and other commands by pressing a special button known as keys. The computer mouse is a handheld pointing device used to manipulate objects on a computer screen. Printers are output devices that generate hard copies of electronic data stored in a computer, usually in the form of text or image on paper. Computer speakers are a common output device and are used for listening to music, movies, and other audio. External hard drive. An external hard drive is a drive that typically connects to the computer's USB port. The main benefit of an external drive is their portability. Desktop image scanner. A desktop image scanner is an output device that transfers images or text to a computer using optical technology. What is projector? Projectors are external hardware devices that enables a room full of people to experience visual generated by a single computer. They can project still or moving images into a blank wall, screen, or another surfaces. What is a joystick? A joystick is also known as a control column. It is an input device that is used by a player to interact with a computer game. What is headphones? Headphones are hardware output device used to listen to audio. Typically, they plug into a computer line out or the speakers. They enables the listener to enjoy music, movies, or other audio in a private and without disturbing other people close by. What is USB flash drive? A flash drive is a portable data storage device. Unlike optical drives, flash drives have no moving parts, making them more durable. A USB flash drive has an integrated USB interface and connects to the computer via a USB port.